If your belly fat changed after 40, I need you to hear this. You're not crazy. Your body may not be responding the same way it did in your 20s or 30s, but that does not mean you're broken. It also does not mean you need to starve yourself. Do more cardio or cut out every food you enjoy. Today I'm going to show you why menopause belly fat feels different and the step-by-step plan my clients use to lose fat, feel stronger, and stop guessing. What's up? I'm Coach Joe from Can't Stop Fitness, and I help women over 40 lose weight in a way that actually fits their body, hormones, and lifestyle. Before we get into the steps, let me make something clear. Menopause does not magically make fat loss impossible, but it can make your body less forgiving. Meaning the things you got away with before may not work the same now. Skipping meals, doing random workouts, eating salads all day, or doing hours of cardio may backfire because you're not giving your body the structure it needs. So let's break this down. Step 1, stop blaming only hormones. Yes, hormones matter. As estrogen changes, many women notice more fat around the waist. But hormones are not the only thing happening. Most women also lose muscle with age, move less, sleep worse, feel more stress, and eat in a way that does not support their metabolism. So the real problem is not just menopause. The real problem is menopause plus low muscle, poor recovery, inconsistent nutrition, and workouts that are not built for your body anymore. That is why two women can both be in menopause, but one feels stuck and the other starts seeing results again. It's not magic, it is structure. Step 2, stop doing workouts that only burn calories. This is one of the biggest mistakes. A lot of women over 40 think the goal of exercise is to just burn as many calories as possible. So they do cardio, then even more cardio. But if you're losing muscle, your body needs strength training. You do not just want a smaller body. You want a stronger metabolism, better muscle tone, better insulin sensitivity, stronger bones, and a body that can handle life. So your workout plan should not be random. Here's a simple weekly structure. 3 days per week, strength training. Day 1, lower body. Day 2, upper body. Day 3, full body. Then add walking most days. Use a rest day between the lift days. No punishment walking. Not, I need to burn off my food walking. Just simple movement. Start with 7,000 steps per day. Then work towards 8, maybe even get up to 10. If you feel great, go to 12 if your body can handle it. Step 3, build every meal around protein. If you're eating salads, smoothies, crackers, coffee, and little snacks all day, but barely getting protein, your body is going to fight you. Protein helps with fullness, it helps protect your muscles, and it helps your body recover from training. So I want you to look at every meal and ask, where is my protein? Not, is this healthy? Because healthy does not always mean enough. A salad with lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and dressing might be healthy if the dressing is low fat. But if it only has 8 grams of protein, it is not a fat loss meal. A better version would be chicken, turkey, eggs, Greek yogurt, fish, lean beef, tofu, shrimp, or cottage cheese, then add the lettuce, then add the vegetables. Then you can add a smart carb like potatoes, rice, oats, beans, fruits, or whole grains. Then add a little bit of fat, olive oil, avocado, maybe even some eggs. That is a meal. Step 4, stop tracking only the scale. The scale matters, but it does not tell the whole story, especially for women over 40. Water retention, sleep, stress, sodium, digestion, and your cycle, if you're still cycling, can all affect that number. So I want you to track 4 things. Your waist measurement, your weight average for the week, that means you weigh in 7 days a week and divide by 7, your strength in the gym, and your energy and sleep. Because sometimes the scale is slow, but your waist is changing. Sometimes the scale is up, but your strength is improving. And sometimes the real issue is not your workout. It is that you sleep 5 hours and snack every night because your body is exhausted. Step 5, use the 2-week rule. Here's the part most women miss. They change everything every 3 days. New diet Monday, new workout Thursday, cut carbs Sunday. Then they say, nothing works for me. You need to give the plan enough time to tell you the truth. So for 2 weeks, I want you to do this. Eat protein at every meal. Strength train 3 times per week, minimum. And walk daily. Finally, sleep as consistently as possible. And track your food honestly. After 2 weeks, ask, did my waist change? Did my weight trend change? Did my cravings improve? Did my strength improve? And did my energy improve? If nothing changed, then you adjust. but you adjust based on data, not emotion. So if your belly changed after 40, do not panic. Your body's not broken, but your old plan may be outdated. You need strength training, protein, you need steps, sleep, and you need a plan designed for the body you have now, not the body you had 20 years ago. If you want my free menopause blueprint, comment Meno below and I'll send it over. Please don't forget, subscribe, like, and share with anybody you feel that could get value from this video. See you on the next one.